जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकवादियों ने जो कुछ किया, क्या भारत चुप बैठ सकता है? क्या मोदी चुप बैठ सकता है? जब कोई हमारी बहनों के सिंदूर को मिटाएगा तो उसका भी मिटना तय हो जाता है। और इसलिए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर सिर्फ एक सैन्य कार्रवाई नहीं है, ये हम भारतीयों के संस्कारों, हमारी भावनाओं की अभिव्यक्ति है। आतंक फैलाने वालों को सपने में भी सोचा नहीं होगा मोदी से मुकाबला करना कितना मुश्किल होता है।
The 22nd of April Pahalgam terror attack is no more a matter of India's national security. It has turned out to be a global imperative now. And time and again, we have been saying this, how Pakistan has been harboring, shielding and sheltering terrorists in their own land. Right from the time both India and Pakistan has gained independence at an interval of a day, at the same time, precisely. And if you look at the trajectory of Indian economy and Pakistan's economy, there is a hell and heaven difference. India has grown by leaps and bounds, where Pakistan is struggling with their own economic crisis and flaws. And the attack on Jammu and Kashmir in Pahalgam is a testament to the fact that they don't want the Indian economy to prosper. This is a message we want to carry to the world, where you have 7 delegations going to different countries. And we want to tell this to you, everyone, with all humility and grace, that any support to Pakistan is a support to terror organization. Anyone supporting any act of Pakistan is supporting a terror organization. Why I say this? I have reasons to say this. When the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks were carried out in Mumbai, where all of you must have seen and known, 166 nationals were killed and shot dead by terrorists. And out of those 166, there were people belonging from different nationalities. Apart from India, there were people from 26 other countries. And the prime accused, who was then arrested by the Indian law enforcement agencies, he confessed in the proceedings that he was trained and raised in Pakistan. And when the terror attack was carried out this year, on the 22nd of April, we actually expected Pakistan to do justice and bring the perpetrators to book. Either you bring justice to them, or justice needs to be done to them. You anyway have to do justice. We waited patiently for a week, 10 days, 14 days. Then India eventually carried out the airstrikes on the 7th of May, after waiting for 14 days. Why I'm mentioning about the airstrike? Because the airstrikes were so precise. It was carried out with so much of precision. We ended up successfully destroying 9 terror infrastructure without endangering a single civilian life. This is what India is, firm in resolve, yet honorable in action.